Induction of the members of the graduates to the Association of Mapua High School Alumni Incorporated. Once again is AMSAI President Engineer Elias Ang.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name, graduate of class 2026. Upon being inducted as member of the Association of Mapua High School Alumni Incorporated or AMSAI, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability all the responsibilities and duties as member of this association. And I will unselfishly give time and effort to advance the welfare of the Association of Mapua High School Alumni Incorporated or AMSAI, and to do everything within my power to promote its ideas and objectives and the fulfillment of the spirit and letter of its constitution and bylaws. And I hereby declare that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations, you are now officially members of the Association of Mapua High School